Good morning, friends. Today, your class is regarding trigonometric values. Okay, suppose you went to a shop, to purchase anything. So, after a billing, you will pay the money. Suppose it costs to rupees 250. So, how many ways you have to pay? Okay, maybe you will give 200 rupees and 50 rupees note, or 550 rupees notes, or like that. There are different ways you can pay. That is, the whole transaction of Indian currency, whether it is 250 rupees or 1000 rupees or 1200 rupees or 1 lakh rupees, whatever it may be, the total currency or the total transaction is based on the only some notes. That is, we have rupees 1, rupees 2, rupees 5. These three are like coins are available or notes are available, or rupees 10, rupees 20, rupees 50, rupees 100, rupees 200, and rupees 500, and rupees 2000. Okay, by using these notes only, we are doing the entire transaction, whether it is in rupees or thousands or lakhs or in crores, whatever it may be. Okay, these are specified notes, currency notes, proposed by Indian government. Like that, there are specific angles are proposed in trigonometry. Okay, they are called fundamental or the prime angles of trigonometry. Okay, now we have a specific angles. They are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. And we already learned that is there are 6 trigonometric ratios are there: sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot. So what happens these trigonometric ratios with their specific angles? My question is, like, sine 45 is how much? Cos 30 degrees is how much? Like tan 90 is how much? Or cosecant 0 is how much? In class 10, we have, or we should discuss only with the 0 degrees to 90 degrees only. That too, these 5 angles only. Once if you stop, pause the video, and if you observe the second exercise of NCERT or SCHARM, it consists of number of sums based on these values only. You can see only these values in that exercise. So, if you know the values of this, then you can solve any sum from the second exercise. Okay? And now I am filling this table without a mathematical knowledge. Like without any, I am following a small trick regardless of mathematics. This trick is not at all related to mathematics. It doesn't have any proof. Okay? And once I will complete this table and will solve some examples, and I will prove theoretically, that is mathematically, how the values came. Okay? The theory is there. It's very important. At the same time, remembering this table is very, very important to solve the problems. Okay? Now, the trick is, now the 0 degrees I'll take with 0 by 4. I told you how this came. It's just a trick. Follow it. Now, the second one is root of 1 by 4. Next one is 2 by 4. Next one is 3 by 4. And the last one is 4 by 4. Okay? It's just my assumption. If you have any other model, you can 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Now, I am writing the values. That is 0 by 4. 0 by anything, the value is 0. 0 by anything, value is 0. Now, 1 by 4. 1 root is 1. 4 root is 2. Because root of 1 by 4. 1 root is 1. 4 root is 2. Now it is 2 by 4. Okay, 2 table. 1 time, 2 times, cancel. One time and two times. One root is 1 and two root we do not find, that is it's an irrational number. Root 2 is irrational. Now 3 is irrational, that is root 3. 4 root is 2. 4 by 4 it will be cancelled by 1. 1 root is 1. So I completed by using this, by help of this I completed the sine row. What is its means? That is sine 30 degrees value 1 by 2. Sine 60 degrees value root 3 by 2. Sine 45 degrees value 1 by root 2. Sine 0 value 0. Sine 90 value 1. That is the value of this. If you know how to write this, the first line itself, it's very easy to write or solve or complete the table. That is to write the cos values. To write the cos values. So write this one from the last one is becomes the first one. That means here 1 is there, now it is 1. The second one will be the second from the last is second from the first. Now the middle one is always okay. Now 1 by 2, 0. Okay, just I wrote behind. Now third one, tan. I told you before only tan is nothing but sine by cos. Tan is nothing but sine by cos. So sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, tan 0 means, tan means sine by cos. Tan means sine by cos. That means sine by cos. So 0 by 1. So here what you should do? Division. 0 by 1. 0. 2 get cancelled. 1 by root 3. Both are same, or else root 2 cancel, 1 by 1. 1. 2 again cancel, that is root 3. And the next one is here, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 value is not defined. 1 by 0 value is not defined. Now come to cosecant. Cosecant is, we know, it is reciprocal of sine. Cosecant means it's reciprocal of sine. Sine reciprocal, that means here 1 by sine. These values, if you reciprocal, make it reverse. That means here nothing means can I write 0 by 1? Now make it reverse 0 by 1, 1 by 0, that is not defined. 1 by 2, that is 2. 1 by root 2, make it reciprocal, root 2. Root 3 by 2, reciprocal, 2 by root 3. 1 reciprocal is 1. Now I am writing secant value. Secant is reciprocal of cos. That means how we wrote cos values just behind from the sine values. The same way if you follow just behind from the cosecant values. That is nothing but 1, 2 by root 3. Next root 2, 2, and it is not defined. Okay. Now cot values. Cot values are reciprocal of tan values. Okay. Cos values are reciprocal of tan. So tan. Now if you write reciprocal or just behind if you write, that is okay. So that is nothing but not defined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, and it is 0. So I completed the table of specific angles like 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. That means now you are in a position to tell whatever the angle. If I ask, you should give a reply immediately, like tan 45 is 1. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Like that. If you give the answer, okay, then we can solve the problems very easily. Okay, we'll discuss some just examples from this table. Okay, okay. Now, if you once completed the table, okay, or once or twice or thrice, you write at the table without seeing. You need not by heart the table. Okay, how I told the trick, if you follow it and write the table without saying. Okay, in the examination also, after you have taken any one answer sheet, you can take one extra additional sheet or rough paper. You can write the table and you can take the values from the table. Okay, but do not by heart the table. If you know how to write the table without saying, now you will face this type of sums. I am taking one of the example. Okay, now 4 by cot 30. Okay, if you look at the table, then you will understand what is cot 30. Okay, cot 30. If you see that cot 30 or tan 60, both are same. That is nothing but root 3. So, whole square. Here cot square 30 is there. Cot square 30 whole square plus 1 by sin 30. So, sin values we wrote behind cos values. So, here 30 values in cos 60 values both are equal if you see the table. Now, sin 30 value is equal to cos 60 value, that is nothing but 1 by 2 sin square 30 minus 2 cos 45. Cos 45, sin 45, they are at the middle, they are equal both, that is nothing but 1 by root 2 minus sin 0. 0 means we are starting from the beginning angle. First 0 by 4, it is always 0. So sin 0 is 0. Now, it's an algebraic form now. Okay, direct simplification. Now there is no trigonometry. Your trigonometric values are there. We substituted. Now it is came like a fraction sum. 4 by square root cancel 3 plus 1. If I write 1 by 2 whole square, if I make it into, that is 4 by 1 minus 2. 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 minus 0. 0 is there or there, it's okay. Now it is 4 by 3 plus 4 ones are 4. 2 get cancelled minus 1. So 4 by 3, 4 minus 1 is 3. I am taking LCM 3. 4 plus 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 4, 13 by 3. Okay. So once if you substituted the values, it's now a simplification only. Now we will discuss second example. Now one more example. If tan A plus B is equal to root 3, cot A minus B is equal to root 3, then find A and B. Okay, now tan A plus B is equal to what value he gave here? That is root 3. Now in LHS, what is the trigonometric ratio is given? Tan. So I am taking tan and root 3 means for how many degrees tan values will become root 3. Good. That is nothing but 60 degrees. Now both sides tan is there. If you eliminate tan on both sides, do not cancel tan and tan. Understand? The tan 60, tan and 60, they are not two terms. Tan 60 value is root 3. Okay. Tan 60 means not tan into 60. Keep it in mind. Do not cancel tan and tan. Eliminate. Now, if tan A plus B value is equal to tan 60, then A plus B is equal to 60. Okay. Next, the next one is cot A minus B is equal to, here also root 3 is given. So, look at the table of cot row. Now, for how many degrees root 3 is coming in the cot row? That is nothing but cot 30. Now, eliminate cot and cot. Therefore, A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. Now, we got a linear equation in two variables. A plus B is equal to 60. A minus B is equal to 30. If I add both the equations, now it came to algebraic method. So what we are doing, the given trigonometric questions, we are converting into algebraic version to solve the sum. Plus B minus B cancel. 2A is equal to, I am adding 90 degrees. A is equal to 90 by 2. That is nothing but 45 degrees. Now you can take any of the equation, either a plus b is equal to 60 or a minus b is equal to 30. What is a value? Substitute a value is 45 degrees plus b is equal to 60 degrees. Then b is equal to 60 minus 45. So b value is 15 degrees. Therefore, a value is 45 degrees and b value is 15 degrees. Okay. So, the beginning of this video, I told you a trick how to complete the table. That trigonometric values. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay. And I told there is no mathematical sense at all. Okay. With a logic, we did. And we solved the sums also. Now, a theoretical approach. How sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. How tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. We'll prove it now. Okay. Mathematically, we can prove. Okay. That proof we will do it now. Okay. Now, for that I am taking a equilateral triangle. Okay. Now, I am taking an equilateral triangle. Okay. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Of side 2A. Each side is equal to 2A units. Okay. Let ABC is an equilateral triangle, okay, in which AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to 2A units. We know that each angle in an equilateral triangle, angle A is equal to, angle B is equal to, angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Each angle in an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Now, I am drawing an altitude. It is an altitude, 90 degrees. Okay. So, draw AD perpendicular to BC. That means angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degrees. Now, I am taken a part from the triangle, or one part of the main triangle. Okay, I am taking one part from the main triangle. That is one right angle triangle I am taking. A, D, C. Angle D is 90 degrees. Angle C is 60 degrees. And this side is 2A centimeters. And here two right angle triangles are there. Two right angle triangles. Now, if you see this is our right angle, hypotenuse. If it is 90 degrees, right angle. This is also 90 degrees, right angle. This is hypotenuse, hypotenuse. And this is a common side. By RHS congruency, these two triangles are congruent. Okay? What? By RHS congruency. Triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. These two triangles are congruent. By CPCT, these two sides are equal. The total length is 2A, so each length is A. So this is A. Now, I am using Pythagoras theorem. Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. I don't know this side, okay? I am taking this as x. So side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So x square is equal to 4a square minus a square, where x is equal to root of 3a square. X is nothing but AD. AD is equal to root to 3. A square root is A. So this is root to 3 times A. Okay. Now I got a right angle triangle with 3 sides in it, and an angle is 60 degrees. And an angle is 60 degrees. Now, with respect to theta, now my theta is 60 degrees. My theta is 60 degrees. With respect to theta, this is opposite side. This is adjacent side. And it is hypotenuse. Now, I am writing sine 60. Sine 60. That is nothing but opposite to 60 by hypotenuse. Is root 3 times a by hypotenuse, that is 2a. A get cancelled, root 3 by 2a. So sine 60 value, if you check in our table, that is root 3 by 2a. Cos 60, cos theta formula, adjacent side to 60 by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to 60 is a by hypotenuse is 2a. A get cancelled, 1 by 2. Tan 60 value opposite to a, that is 60 by hypotenuse. Opposite to 60 is root 3 times a by tan is adjacent. Adjacent is a. A get cancelled, root 3. The same version like cosecant 60 reciprocal 2 by root 3. Cos 60 reciprocal 2 by 1. Tan 60 reciprocal, that is 1 by root 3. So this is the way to find out 60 degrees. At the same time, if you take the same values, okay, if you take the same values, it is theta is 60 degrees, it is 90 degrees by triangle property. Now this value is how much? 30, because angle sum property. Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. 60, 90. So this is 30. With respect to 30, okay, with respect to 30 degrees, opposite side to 30 degrees is how much? 30 degrees, opposite side, A. Adjacent side to 30 degrees. Adjacent side to 30, root 3 times A. Hypotenuse. Now, if you apply sine 30, sine formula, opposite side to 30 by. Okay, now the 30 degrees also like sine 30, cos 30, tan 30, cosecant, secant, cot also you can complete by using this triangle. Okay, now we'll discuss about 45 degrees. Okay, now I'm taking a right angle triangle. Suppose in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. I am taking this triangle like in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. And one more also I am taking. Okay, that is AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. These two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, then if two sides are equal in a triangle, then their opposite angles are equal. That means angle BAC is equal to angle BCA is equal to, I am taking X. So this is and this is X. Now, can we apply angle sum property of a triangle? Sum of three angles is equal to 90 degrees. So, x plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. So, 2x is equal to 90. So, x is equal to 45 degrees. So, this is 45. Of course, this is also 45 degrees. Both are 45 degrees. And this is right angle triangle. Now, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees and AB is equal to, BC is equal to, I am taking side, AB is equal to BC is equal to, I'm taking S units. Okay, this is S units. Now, if I apply Pythagoras theorem, side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square, then AC square is equal to S square plus S square. Where AC is equal to square, go to that side, root S square plus S square, 2S square. Where AC is equal to root 2 times S. AC is equal to root 2 times S. Okay. Now, with respect to theta, theta is equal to how many degrees? 45 degrees. With respect to theta, opposite side to 45 is X. Adjacent side to 45. Adjacent side to 45 is X. Hypotenuse. Okay. Hypotenuse is equal to root 2 times. Okay. Root 2 times ES. Root 2 times ES. Now I am writing all trigonometric ratios. Sin 45. Sin 45. Sin formula is opposite to 45 by hypotenuse. S by root 2 times S. S cancelled, 1 by root 2. Cos 45. Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. S by root 2 into S. S cancelled, so 1 by root 2. Tan 45. That is opposite side to 45 by adjacent side. S by S is equal to 1. Similarly, we can find out cosecant 45, root 2, cos 45, root 2, and tan 45 or cot 45, both equal to 1. So this is the way we can find the trigonometric values, specific trigonometric values like 0, 30, 60, 45 and 90. Now you can complete the second exercise from NCERT as well as S-Chan, and you can submit the work later.